Dogs can hear sounds at frequencies humans can't even fathom, up to 40,000 Hz. Imagine your furry friend picking up on a symphony of sounds completely silent to you. This superpower allows them to detect the faintest rustle of a squirrel or the distant rumble of a thunderstorm long before you do. But it's not just about hearing more, it's about hearing differently. Dogs have 18 or more muscles in their ears, allowing them to tilt, rotate, and wiggle their ears to pinpoint exactly where a sound is coming from. This keen sense of hearing isn't just for fun, it's a survival tool they inherited from their wild ancestors. So next time your dog perks up at seemingly nothing, remember, they might just be hearing a world you never knew existed.